Congratulations to everyone, those who have been the part of our wonderful communication initiative that is Speak English Like Never Before. And you know, guys, we have completed already 74 batches. And this week, we are going to start our batch number 75, means Diamond Jubilee.
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है
Yes, absolutely right. Abhi to party shuru hui hai. And I just pray God that this initiative never stops. But absolutely, guys, I really want to thank you all because you have made this initiative successful. So many people, till now, so many people, more than 20,000 people, they have been the part of this initiative, Speak English Like Never Before. And, you know, so many people, they came with fluency problem, English fluency problem. We helped them. There were many people who came with correction problem. They didn't know that how to speak English correctly. And they did that. There were many people, they came, you know, with the problem that they were not able to convince people. And now they have done awesome work. And yes, if you see the comment section, you will see a lot of comments from our students, you know, those who have been benefited. Guys, many people, they improved their English communication. Now it's your turn. Have you ever thought of improving your English? Have you ever thought of being more fluent person, more impressive person? If yes, then the link has been given below. And please join this batch number 75. This is gonna be the special batch. Don't miss it. You just have to pay $199 and you will be the part of our 5 days workshop. Absolutely right. You are listening it rightly. This is the 5 days workshop and you are going to learn how to improve your vocabulary, how to improve your grammar, how to be fluent, what not. So guys, just go to the link, click on the link. You'll be getting a notification. You will be under our WhatsApp group. So please go and click on the link. And suppose if you don't get any notification from our end, you have the number 824-080-2900. WhatsApp here and confirm your seat. Thank you very much. Subhash Kartik. We'll see you in the class. Thank you.